last vlog for the day, I promise you. Today we are going to have to put my I got the P3 shout out to you, but that is coming back. I got this. We are going to reconnect it to the dash and be done. So we're gonna go ahead and
Jesus Christ,
get rid of this little ugly thing and open this box. Alright guys, that is a roach, a dead smushed roach. That's scary. Anyways, let me go ahead and plug this back in. So I originally had it going through the vent.
No, I'm trying harder. They'll do anything for a few dollars. They'll do anything for a little follow. Hippie, hippie, hip, don't shake them hips, hips, hips. Walk it out, then look back, then you step, step, step. Tell me what you want, girl, will you still be? Yeah. Tell me what you want, girl, will you still be?
Alright, I will run this and make it look prettier later, but she is plugged in. Boom. I have no idea what we're reading right now, but let me go ahead and secure this back inside. Snap, pop, crackle. Look at that. Oh! What is it?
it's snap, crackle, pop. You said
No.
snap, pop, crackle.
Got him! Snap, paddle, crop, pop. You know what I mean. Alright, let me go through the settings here. Boost, got it. Coolant, super high. Speed, got it. Battery, got it. RP5, yeah, sure. IAT, got it. IAT2. E9T, I don't know what that is. Ignition, throttle, ethanol. Let's go, come on, baby. Boom. So that is exactly it. Ethanol, we're sitting at about 9%. So we can run a full 60 and go from there.
No, I'm trying harder. They'll do anything for a few dollars. They'll do anything for a little follow. Hippie, hippie, hip, don't shake them hips, hips, hips. Walk it out, then look back, then you step, step, step. Tell me what you want, girl, will you still be? Yeah. Tell me what you want, girl, will you still be? Hey, walk in step, move, slide to the right, check, make sure you looking. Walk in step, move, slide to the left, don't forget to touch